Nicely done, guys. Good fish. Another nice one.
Yeah.
Garrett, well done. That was first cast on that fly, bro. Super excited for today's adventure. Behind me is Mr. J and Mr. Garrett. Two of my best friends are out here. We're deep in the backcountry, just about to hit the gravel right there. And it's August 20th. We're gonna hike several miles. The scenery is a 10 out of 10. The massive western red cedar and Douglas fir trees out here. Today we got some light rain. Welcome to Fish and Fly with Gus. Hopefully we'll catch a few. If nothing else, we got some great time to hang with the bros and just see what happens. It's all about the adventure. What are you rigging up right here, Jay?
Well, I'm taking two rods. One is a 4-weight for my dry flies, although I got a streamer on it right now. And then I'm also taking a 6-weight, and I have a sink tip at the end. That means I'm gonna throw some streamers. So I got some.
Here's your streamer box here with like little mini Sculpzillas and stuff.
Yeah, Sculpzilla.
That's a deadly fly right there.
Yeah, it really is.
So kind of see what's gonna happen here. Just have kind of a couple options to go with though, yeah?
Absolutely, yeah. You never know what kind of water you're gonna meet, so got to be prepared for anything.
Awesome. We've got a good, basically full day here of exploring and fishing here. Garrett hasn't been here before, so we're really excited for him to see how beautiful this place is. We're in a national forest. It's hard to get perspective of the size of this tree. So Jay kindly is jumping into the set here. Man, now you can get a sense of scale. That is such a monster tree. Thanks for
a 9-foot rod.
Yeah, and there's another 2 feet past that. So yeah, 11 feet diameter. Thanks for helping with the props there, bro.
Yeah, this is a huge tree.
No, it's not bad. It's an amazing place to be.
That corner is.
Jay's lost a blade here to the drone. We're gonna see if he can snap it back on.
She bring me champagne when I'm thirsty. She bring me smoke when I'm walking high. Got no regrets for the love I live.
Jay's got the drone stuck in a tree. So he says it's like right there. We'll see if we can recover this drone. It's always an adventure on Fish and Fly with Gus. Yeah! Can't believe that you climbed up that tree and retrieved the drone.
Oh, yeah, I got you, bro. I got you.
You got me I gotta need you on my side. Devil in the blue dress. Well, you always got a new dress. And I'm no angel. I think everybody know that. Snuck in the VIP, took a pic like Kodak. back. Hand on your hip, you a trip, girl, you know that. Falling in love, only thing I ain't good at. That's what she said. Watch this. You got the devil in your eyes.
It's been real dry and hot, but 2 days ago it rained like mad. And but in the last 24 hours now, this river's dropped back down a little bit and it's crystal clear. And these big trout, the other day, I caught 3 of them 2 nights ago in this area. And that water was more colored up. When it's uber clear like this, they're more guarded and spooky. They can spot us from a mile away. And so it just, the bite is much harder with this crystal clear water, but we'll try to get a fish or 2. Beautiful, beautiful place. This is awesome. First fish of the day. It's a West Slope cutthroat. He hit this Dalai Lama streamer. It's about maybe 13, 14 inches, give or take. We'll find out. We've got the ball here. All we got to do is get a picture with the ball in the frame, and then we'll be able to extrapolate the size of this fish.
We'll come here a little bit later when all this changes, fall colors.
I just missed a really good fish right here. I had it on the line for a minute. I went to turn the GoPro camera on and that's when it shook off. It's a barbless hook. It's okay. It's just the way it goes. God, it was a great fish too. That's how it goes. Let's keep going. Little guy. What is it? A little bull trout. Or no, it's a little rainbow. Isn't that cool? Wow, we got a little rainbow. Amazing, Jay. Maybe you can get a little video of me holding him or something. Let's see if we can get him in. Look at this, you guys. This is just a feisty, about a 7 or 8 inch rainbow. Just beautiful fish. Here you go. Bloop. Garrett got a good one on right here.
Yay!
Oh, that's what we came for. That's a 18-inch fish for sure. Wow. He is not happy about this at all. We'll get a measurement on, oh, right now. Yeah, beautiful. Good job, teamwork. That's a nice fish. Hey, that's what we came for, you guys. That's a solid one. Look at that thing.
Do I need to take a video or a photo?
If you want, yeah, I can use my phone too.
Video? Yeah,
How's that look? Does that look good?
yeah.
You got the whole fish and the ball in the frame?
Yep.
Look at this big, beautiful fish, you guys. This thing's gonna be close to 20 inches. Just an absolute stud of a fish. Exactly what we came for here. So Garrett's hooked up here. We're gonna have Jay net this fish for Garrett. Garrett just put on this fly and right away he's just got this beautiful fish on. You got all day long, Garrett. It is barbless. Right. Keep it tight though.
Nice fight there, buddy.
You can kind of start dragging him to shore a little bit.
Whoa.
Jay,
he's a feisty guy. Bring it over to this side. Think you can reel it in a little bit more? Ah!
Nicely done, guys. Good fish. Another nice one.
Yeah!
Garrett, well done. That was first cast on that fly, bro. Wow, look at that. Well, hey, take your time. So let's see if we can see that tail a little bit better. Garrett just got this beautiful bull trout, you guys. Look at this fish. What a stud. How's that feel, Garrett?
Whenever you're ready.
Before you release it, how do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Bring him to the deeper water when you're ready. Things kind of turned the corner for the better here. I hooked up on this really nice fish. Jay got that on video, and then I just gave Garrett the fly that I caught that fish with in the first cast. Just boom, and it was just a beautiful bull trout. So we got all that on camera, on video, and oh man, hopefully Jay gets one. But it's just amazing how just like that, you know, things can turn around. You can get a fish. You just got to keep going and stay consistent and just not give up. But man, we're all just really having a moment right now. This is so awesome. Another bull trout. This is such a cool bonus fish right here. Look at this beautiful fish, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, he just smashed this black articulated streamer. We're gonna get him in and get a measurement on this fish. That is such a trophy. Here we are.
Wow.
Towards the end of the day. Jay ended up getting a little rainbow, he said?
A tiny one. But it was something. Yeah.
Awesome. And Garrett got a good fish, and I ended up with 2 really good fish, and just one of those great adventure days, huh, Jay?
Oh, it was amazing. Yeah. What an epic day.
You missed one? Oh. Yeah. We're in the middle of watching Garrett fish right here in front of us. Well, cool, Jay. It's always fun having you along, man. It's just, we always have some good times. We usually catch a couple fish, you know, here if we're lucky, and
yeah,
we see some of the most beautiful backcountry wilderness in the Pacific Northwest.
Such a magical place.
Reactivate my inner vision, salivating, acid kissing, elevate my love for living, find my soul when it go missing. I will be a wreck, a demon on a trek. If I hadn't let you sink your teeth inside my neck, and now you teach me how to flex and how to keep my cool, balancing the life and death in paradise of fools. Eyes are rolling back, we fade to black, your voice narrates the past and present.
Anyway, Garrett and Jay are fishing a little bit more. I'm gonna head to the car and get a little snack and something to drink. Just a bit famished, but they're gonna continue for a minute. Anyway, all in all, it's just a great day. You know, stayed safe, didn't lose or break any gear, and you know, just made some great memories, spent some precious moments of life with some good friends, and you know, and did it in God's country. That is for sure. Love you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel and coming along. I hope you feel like you're part of the adventures here. This is a place for you. Have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. See you soon.
Devil in the blue dress. Well, you always got a new dress. And I'm no angel. I think everybody